Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have basics ready: clean slide, 4x or 10x objective, and condenser adjusted. Start by centering the specimen in the field. That gives you a stable target to focus on. Once centered, lower the stage until the objective almost touches the slide, then slowly raise it with the coarse focus until the image appears. Make sure the condenser is slightly raised and diaphragm partly closed to increase contrast. This helps your eye find edges faster and avoid hunting around the field. Once you have a clear low-power image, rotate to the medium objective carefully, keeping the stage movement minimal to avoid losing the area. Use the fine focus knob in small, deliberate quarter turns. You're refining depth and sharpening features. Make sure to tweak the condenser height and diaphragm to balance resolution and contrast, because too much light washes out detail. Also, adjust illumination intensity. Less light often reveals structure, and recenter with the X/Y stage controls rather than refocusing wildly. Now move to high power or an oil objective only after your medium view is crisp. This prevents crashing. If using oil, place a single drop on the cover slip and lower the lens slowly until it contacts the oil. Avoid trapping air bubbles, which ruin contrast. Use the fine focus exclusively at this stage to bring out maximum detail. If things go wrong and the image is fuzzy or uneven, clean the slide and objective, verify condenser alignment, and confirm the objective turret clicks fully into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.